Hey guys, my name is Udit. Today I will be discussing a very small, topic in Unity, and not a small topic, but a group of topics in Unity. Here we will be creating a very small game, where when we will launch the game, with every space button, we will be, dropping a ball from air, and that ball will be, landing on the other ball, and it will automatically be changing its color after every 2 seconds. So how to perform this particular activity? So yes, you see it's changing its color after 2 seconds. So here we will at least learn 2-3 concepts by creating this particular ball. See, we are creating a ball, it's getting generated from the middle at this particular point. So how to do this particular project is very simple, and what all concepts we will learn in this video will be like creating a spawn point, creating a prefab, and then instantiating a particular object from that spawn point, and then the concept of arrays, how to store this particular object into a particular array, changing the color of a variable using this thing, using to a random hsr, a random to a random color. So these all concepts we will learn. So let's go and dive into this particular its code, how it's working. So the first concept we will learn is about array. So how to create an array in C Sharp and Unity is like this. So this is an array of game object, and this contains 10 this thing. So it's basically a array of 10 objects, and the type of array is game object. So this is how it is, and then there is a spawn point from where we are dropping or creating the ball. So that's the thing. In the start we will basically invoke repeating change ball color. So what invoke repeating does, that it will call this particular function with the delay of 2 seconds and every 2 seconds. So when we put on invoke repeating, so repeat rate, so how it gets repeated, gets repeated. So it's basically all it is all about time. So invokes the specific method after the specified delay, then repeatedly at the specified rate. So it is about delay, and this is about rate, how it is called and how it is this thing. So here we are changing the ball color. So in the change in the ball color, the ball count is greater than 0, and here we are basically what we are doing, we are basically going through each of the ball in this particular array and then assigning it a random color. So it is a random dot color HSV. So it is assigning a random color. So we see that in the update method we are basically clicking a button which is called key code space, which is in our keyboard. So whenever we click a key code space, we are basically spawning a ball. So there is a fixed update also. So we could have put this ideally into fixed update, but it's an update, so it's called after every moment, I mean a particular moment. So it would have made no difference, and it will have been more efficient if we have put here. But if it is there, no problem. So it is spawning the ball. In every spawn of the ball, it is instantiating it, and the ball count we are increasing this variable, and after increasing the variable we are basically changing the color. So this is the whole way of how a particular thing is working. So this particular code, how it is doing is that it with every space bar it is creating a new ball, and after every 2 seconds it is basically changing the color of the ball. So these all concepts are there in this particular video. The GitHub link will be there for this particular this particular code. So and also the so please go through the GitHub link. Please like, share, subscribe this video, so that I get more motivation to create these simple videos. Thank you.